Hello everyone, very good evening to all of you, all our Insta fam out there. How are you doing? Good to see you after almost like 2 weeks? Yeah, 2 weeks. So as you all know, we've gathered for a very special live session today with our official training partner, Panache Academy. And Panache is one of the leading academies who are into training, the professional cabin crew. So, our representative from Panache is the owner and founder of Panache Academy, Mrs. Khushnam Awari, and she's waiting for us to go live with her. So, hi, Doctor. Hello, Dhanlakshmi. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the most important aspect of pageantry, and that's good personality. अच्छी personality किसको अच्छी नहीं लगती? Hello, Krishnam, how are you?
Hi, Anita. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. Looking lovely.
Good
Very
to see
professional
you.
and
Thank you. Thank you.
good. क्या चल रहा है
You're looking pretty.
अहमदाबाद में? Thank you. Especially मैं तैयार हुई हूँ आपके साथ सेशन करने के लिए.
क्या बात है? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nice, nice. The blue chair is really nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Anita.
So, yes. Hope I'm audible and visible clearly.
Not very clear. You're breaking.
I'm breaking?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we are to discuss today the most important aspect of a personality and of a person, which is a good personality. कौन नहीं चाहता एक अच्छी personality? You are in a pageant, you are a working woman, you are a professional, a homemaker, who not? But everyone look forward to a good personality. So Krishnam, we've already introduced you in our last session to all our viewers.
Right.
So I've given a brief intro of yours now also. So I would would like to go forward with the aspects of personality. So what do you think is a good personality, a bad personality? How do you differentiate?
See, honestly, if we are talking about personality, we would be talking about personality as a whole. There is no such thing as a good personality or a bad personality. It is on the perception of the opposite person. And basically what we are talking about here is how you would want to present yourself to the opposite person. That is very important. So now if we are talking about Mrs. India, Hotmont Mrs. India as a pageant, here we are talking about contestants who are going to present themselves to you all as potential crown winners. So for that, one thing very, very necessary is a positive personality and a confident personality. These two things, a positive aspect, a positive view towards life, and the confidence that each person has and exhibits that would be very, very important. So good personality, bad personality, that's too vague a thing. But yes, certain aspects of a personality and how you would like to present yourself is very important.
Perfect. So how you would like to present yourself is something that you should understand if we talk about personality. So it differs from person to person and who you're representing yourself to.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So each situation is different now. When we are in an office, we present ourselves in a different manner. When we are in college, when we are with friends, same way when we are at a pageant. The kind of personality, you need to show a strong, confident personality to get into the view of the judges and organizers. That is also one very important thing as far as a pageant goes. Because
Right.
yes, you're dealing with big numbers, big number of girls. So for you to
True.
stand out in that crowd is very important.
Okay.
And for that, again, a strong personality, again, good grooming, well, good presentation of yourself, good communication, all these aspects together make a good positive personality. It is not one individual thing. Even, I mean, apart from all these things, I can say even knowledge, general knowledge, current affairs, uh, makeup, self presentation, your clothes, your hair, your all these things put together, shake it up together, and then what you get would be a good, strong personality, which would be a contender for the crown.
Perfect, perfect. That's quite wholesome in one goal that you've mentioned. But I'd like to know point wise that what are major aspects of a good personality that one should look forward to achieve, and how one can actually work on themselves, because nobody is perfect. We're not perfect at all. There is always room for
Hmm.
excellence or room for learning. So maybe if somebody is good at the looks, their style is good, the way they wear their clothes or choose their clothes is good, their hair are good, but then still they lack in communication, they lack in their body posture or their gestures, their body language. So can you just give me point wise what are the different aspects one should look forward to work on to get that perfect personality?
Talking about a perfect personality, again, as you said, there are a lot of aspects we are talking about, and something that even I mentioned earlier is
Yeah.
it's a wholesome personality. So we need to keep in mind right from our first impression how we are conducting ourselves. After the first impression, our grooming, how what are we wearing, our hair, our hygiene. Again, that plays a very important role. I remember last year when I was a contestant with you all. Sylvie ma'am had mentioned at that time that girls coming and taking selfie with her was something more of a punishment to her rather than a pleasure because of the body odor. Now, this is something very, very small, but something that we need to keep in mind. So, body hygiene is something which is very important. Body language is very important. Overall grooming, overall makeup. When we are going for a pageant, how we are dressed is something which is very, very crucial. I have seen contestants who are not groomed properly and walking around the hotel and wherever our orientations were being conducted, our finales were being conducted. What our contestants need to understand is that no one knows you by your name, but they all definitely know you as the representative of the brand that you're representing, which would
True.
be Hotmon, Mrs. India Worldwide. So,
True.
for a person who's a third person who's looking at you, you are a contestant of Mrs. India, and you need to present yourself in that manner. I mean, you're moving around in your bedroom slippers and your hair is a mess. There is not a streak of makeup on your face. These are things which I don't think even the organizers or the judges would compromise on. So, as contestants, what my advice to all of you all would be that please pay a lot of importance and a lot of attention to your overall grooming and how you're presenting yourself at the orientation and, of course, the finale.
Do you think representing yourself only during the contest, semi-contest, or during the finale will work it around? Because if I talk about a strong personality, it's
Hmm.
within, and the person will look the same at every moment.
be it at the dining hall, at the dining table, be it amongst the other contestants, be it
Right.
at the time when you're free and you're free to do what you want to, when you're
Hmm.
still in notice with amongst so
Absolutely.
many people.
Absolutely.
So what is your take on that, you being one of the contestants last year, if I particularly talk about Mrs. India Worldwide?
Right. So that was precisely what I was telling you in my last answer also, that when we are moving around, say, as you said, in the dining hall, in the hotel area, in our free time, the general perception of girls is that this is our free time, we can do what we like, and for which reason we can move around how we like. But you are there for a pageant. You are not there for a holiday. You're not there for a vacation. So that is one important point many girls miss. So my suggestion would be, even when you are in your free time, you're just moving around, you're just loitering around or hanging around with your friends, it is most important to be well groomed. Your body language has to be good. How you're presenting yourself, no screaming, no shouting, no talking loudly. See, at the end of the day, all the people who are looking at you, they are looking at you as finalists of Mrs. India, which is a huge, huge, huge name that you're carrying with you. So, for
True.
which reason, the way you represent yourself, the way you carry yourself is very important. And I would say this year's batch is extremely lucky because of the amount of time that you all have been getting. So you have ample time to start working on yourself. There are many contestants
Okay.
I've come across who say, I don't like makeup and I'm not too fond of makeup, for which reason I will not do makeup. I understand in your day to day life, perfectly acceptable whether you want to apply it or no. But when you're coming for a pageant and you're representing a brand, it is a necessity. I will not even give you an option. It's a necessity that yes, there is a certain criteria you need to follow even in your free time. So a
Hmm.
little amount of lipstick, a little amount of foundation, a little amount of eye makeup is necessary. So make sure that even when you step out of your room for whatever reason, this
Right.
basic makeup is there. You are groomed properly. You're not moving in your bedroom slippers. These certain things you need to keep a full tab on yourself also. I mean, I have been a contestant last year, and luckily or unluckily, I have been observing all these things. So,
Of course.
yes, these are a few flaws that I did come across. And at the end of the day, when these contestants, for whatever reason, were not in the winners list,
Hmm.
there was a lot of bad water that did flow under the bridge. But
Right.
you need to work on yourself. That is what I would like to say.
True, true. Meanwhile, I was reading some of the comments from some fake accounts coming in. Krishnam, I really need to address it because
Okay.
it is a distraction to
Uh-huh.
all our viewers, because that is what not we are gathered over here for. So there are few people who are
Right.
trying to distract our audience over here with some foolish comments. So I just want to tell to our Insta fam
Okay.
that uh, see, everyone loses and everyone wins in the in the battle. It's okay. This is something
Absolutely.
that we should
Absolutely.
learn from. And if this is a wonderful communications and conversations happening over here, I would only address to these people that they should learn something good from here instead of writing shit, and instead of writing which is not a meaningful thing happening over here, because this is not the platform. If you have any personal grudges or anything with the organization, I think they should get in touch with the organization, and that's how you know good people should behave. I mean, that's what
Absolutely.
I would term it, right, like. So
True.
Krishnam, that's all apart. What I would
Hmm.
suggest all my viewers out here, most of them, they are all our contestants for this year. Krishnam
Right.
mentioned one important thing is that a personality is not fake. You cannot fake it, because if you fake it, it's not
Hmm.
your personality. You know what you're trying to
Absolutely.
showcase to the world at some point of time, say during a certain period of time, in that case, that is something you playing as a character. It's not you. What we look forward
Absolutely.
to is, yes, what we look forward to is who the real you are. And of course, anybody, be it in a pageant or anybody around in your family, your friends,
Hmm.
everyone looks forward to have a pleasing personality around, somebody who is positive, somebody who is an inspiration to each other. So I can understand one
True.
thing, Kushnam, being part of Mrs. India Worldwide for quite good time now, and you also
Hmm.
being one of our last year participant. uh, Either you win, you lose, but end of the day, you win in your the battle of life, and you're very sure end of the day that you are honest with yourself. That is most important. And if you're honest with
What I
yourself, you are a winner.
what I would like to add here is more than the destination, the journey is very important. And
True.
a, that was the main reason I took part in the pageant also, because it was not the destination, the final crown, the final title, but the entire journey was a very enlightening one. Something in which I learned a lot of things, came across a lot of girls from a varied culture, made so many good friends, and I hope for lifetime. So yes, the entire experience is something that I would highly recommend to each one of you all to undertake and go through. The entire experience, right from your audition to the grand finale, when that crown is put on your head, is something which you're never ever going to get again in your life. These are going
True.
to be the best days of your life. Enjoy them, cherish them, learn what is being taught to you, and trust me, this journey is going to be fabulous.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, let's come to the next point. When anybody talks of personality, and when we are,
Hmm.
relating it to the to your beauty pageant or Hotman Mrs. India
Yeah.
Worldwide,
Hmm.
makeup is something that plays a magical role in your overall personality, the way you look. How do you
Hmm.
think is makeup plays an important role in somebody's life, and does there's it is important, not important? What is makeup as per you? It is just the cosmetics or something else?
Um, Let me start off with something that I believe in, and that is that each one of us is beautiful in our own way. Each
True.
one of us has our own special looks, our own special features, and we are beautiful in our own ways. Now, where does makeup come in? Makeup enhances our beauty. It's a
Yes.
simple thing that I'd like to say. You have your looks, you have your features. Makeup is there just to enhance it and give that finishing touch to you, which again is very necessary if we are talking about a beauty pageant. That final polish, the diamond is there, but it needs to be polished. So that is where makeup will come in. Uh, it is going to help you enhance your looks. It is going to help you for a more positive presentation. And trust me, when you look good, your confidence level itself is going to go higher. The day you are
Hmm.
not so well dressed, as compared to the day on which you have put in some effort and some time on yourself, your own confidence level is going to go up, which is again very necessary as far as a pageant goes. So,
True.
makeup is going to help you enhance a lot of other things apart from your features, also a positive image, positive confidence. These are all the things that are going to come along with it. And since all of
Right.
you all have taken part in a pageant, put all your inhibitions behind, enjoy the journey, make the best of it. Yes, all of you all may not be very good at application of makeup. We are there to teach you. Yes, look, come with your basic ABCD done. rest of the conversation and reading, writing, we'll teach you. So
True.
come with your makeup kits,
So,
come
so
with
the,
your
the
basic
the
applications.
teacher and the mentor, she's waiting for you, and we would
Absolutely.
like you to come up with the basics, which is really important. You know, being a woman, it's really important because who would not like to
True.
accentuate their beauty? So,
Absolutely.
my next question, because when we talk about a strong personality comes up with not the looks, how you look, how humble you look, or how you're behaving
Hmm.
at a place amongst a group,
Right.
but
Hmm.
how are you
Hmm.
representing yourself through your thoughts, through your communication, through your body language? What is coming out of your mouth? I mean, that is something really
Hmm.
important. So,
Right. True.
Pushtam, how would you like to explain that more? And what are the strong and good tips that we can give to our Insta Live fam out here so that they can
Hmm.
practice that during their, leisure time, and they can become more stronger with that?
So basically, if I'm not wrong, you're asking me how they are to work on their communication skills.
I mean, that is something which is, of course, it
Hmm.
affects that. A good communication also comes up with a good
Right.
a good
Hmm.
personality comes up with a good
Hmm.
communication. Unless you're not
True.
able to, express yourself, it's incomplete. So
True.
I think being a part of a beauty pageant, you equally need to express yourself. And if you fail to do so, I think, your half of your personality would not actually help you cover that up. So what are the quick tips that we can give to them right now to work on those
See,
things?
one thing what I would firstly I'd like to say here is that we would be having contestants and finalists from all over the country, and not
Right.
all of them would be super fluent with English. So don't make that as a barrier, and do not, because of that barrier, stay behind. See, all of y'all need to express yourself, just like Anita said. We need to talk, we need to be recognized in a large number, where you're going to have a large number of competition and competitors from all around the country. So you
True.
can express yourself in whichever language you are comfortable with. And
True.
what I could suggest is, yes, your mother tongue or your our national language. So if you can express yourself in our national language, and a language which I can understand, which the organizers can understand, and which the judges can understand, you definitely, you do not need to have that barrier in your mind that मेरा English अच्छा नहीं है.
True.
So
और जब हम
because of
good
that,
community,
hmm, हाँ,
please
तो
please
मैंने
carry
देखा
on.
है
I
कि
would like to put this forward. Yeah.
इसके लिए there are a lot of contestants जो पीछे रह गए हैं. मैंने ये देखा है कि इससे क्या होता है, लैक ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है. पर इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आप हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हो तो हिंदी में बात करिए. हम सबको हिंदी समझ में आती है, हमारी राष्ट्र भाषा है, हम उसके लिए एक्सट्रीमली प्राउड है. और आप उससे उसमें बात कीजिए, या जो भी लैंग्वेज में आप कंफर्टेबल हो. अगर हमको समझ में आ रहा है तो गुड इनफ. तो
True.
communication, yes. Again, more than language, the way you say things is very important. Your voice modulation is very important. यहाँ लोग गलती कर जाते हैं. More than the selection of words, your tone, your voice modulation, your facial expressions, these are the things that conveys a message which is completely different to what your verbal communication is going to be. So that, be very careful of. You, when we are in a restaurant, we are talking to people, the way you talk to someone, all these things are being noticed. People are observing you 24/7. So it is
True.
very necessary that you get a hang. Yes, overall, you may be fabulously dressed, well groomed, super confident. You've worked on all these things that I've told you about. But at the end of the day, as soon as you open your mouth, it's like things coming out which are not very acceptable. All
And
these
things
efforts,
ruined.
absolutely, all these efforts for these entire 6 months or whatever you've put in will go completely down the drain.
True.
So, what I would suggest is more than language, yes, you're working on your English, you're working on whatever, that is fine. But apart from that, pay attention to your voice modulation, your tone, your facial expressions, the way you are saying things. These are the things that are very, very important when we are talking about communication. So, again, when we are talking about communication, there is verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Or the things that you say would come under your verbal communication, but non-verbal communication, your gestures, your postures, your body language, all these things also say a lot of things about you. And trust me, all the trainers that are going to train you for the orientation, for the finale, are all experts at body language reading. So no matter what you fake, you'll be caught. So come with a positive mindset, come with a positive frame of mind, come with a positive approach, and that will show in your body language also.
Kushnam, you know that you just said one magical line right now. However
Okay?
you try to fake, people will catch you. And the experts will
Absolutely.
catch you. You'll be caught. So that's really true. That's why we keep saying that be the real you and be the positive you, because that's more important. In your personal lives also, we've seen, positive people, they automatically attract people around them and you become
Absolutely.
an inspiration. So
Very true.
just make sure that you're not just competing in this pageant, you're competing in your life and you need to prove yourself as a positive person.
Very
Also,
true.
when we
Very
were
true.
talking about communication, I also want to bring this here. When we go for the auditions, we've seen a lot of ladies, क्योंकि दिल में तो कहीं ना कहीं चाह होती है कि मुझे बनना है मिसेस इंडिया वर्ल्ड वाइड, इसीलिए तो
बराबर है.
आप आते हो ऑडिशन में.
Exactly.
लेकिन वो एक मेंटल हर्डल जो आप शुरू से बना के चलते हो, इवन व्हेन यू गेट ऑडिशनड एंड सिलेक्टेड, यू गेट सिलेक्टेड क्योंकि जजेस को आपके ऊपर भरोसा है कि आप डिटरमिन्ड हो, आप कर सकते हो. लेकिन अगर आप खुद वो मेंटल हर्डल और वो मेंटल ब्लॉक शुरू से रखते हैं, जब हम कि नहीं मैं एक छोटे शहर से आई हूँ, मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, मे बी दैट कैन बी अ पॉइंट वेयर आई लूज मार्क्स. नो, in fact, I think people who speak Hindi, they should take the advantage of the language, because आज English बोलने वाले ज्यादा है, हिंदी बोलने वाले कम है. If I'm not wrong, Kushnam, I'm sure you'll agree with me. And people are respected for using their own, मातृभाषा.
National language. Absolutely. सही है.
अच्छी हिंदी बोलना भी is a challenge right now. Because we have spoiled the language so badly using English that, we and our coming generations, we don't know what Hindi is exactly. So if you have your hold on Hindi, you should be proud of it and you should actually sachet your talent of speaking good Hindi. Or rahi baat content, right from the beginning, we've been very clear about the communication. A good communication is expressing yourself. It's not speaking good English. तो आप कहीं से भी
ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक जो करो वो सही, वो चलेगा, पर कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बात करो, अपनी मातृभाषा में बात करो, और आप हिंदी में बात कर रहे हो तो वो गर्व से करो, वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. बहुत लोगों को मैंने देखा है जो आते हैं और ऐसे शर्मिंदा होके बोलते हैं, मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत ठीक नहीं है तो मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगी. उसमें शर्मिंदा होने की बात नहीं है, उसमें गर्व की बात है कि आप अपनी राष्ट्रभाषा में बात कर रहे हो, आप अपनी नेशनल लैंग्वेज में बात कर रहे हो.
बिल्कुल.
इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ प्राइड.
एंड खुशनम, आई रिमेम्बर हमारे लास्ट ईयर भी काफी सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स ऐसे थे जो इंग्लिश में बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे नहीं थे, लेकिन जब वो हिंदी बोलते थे, आई एम श्योर a lady who speaks English cannot speak that kind of Hindi.
Absolutely.
And that's your plus point. And I think instead of working and thinking about our negatives or our weak points, we should also work on our strong points to make them more stronger, to tar yourself on the other contestants. That's what we're competing here
Very
for.
true. Very true. Very, very true.
So I wish everyone, you know, that आप वो blockage अपने दिमाग से हटा दो कि मेरे से जब question and answer round में question किया जाएगा वो इंग्लिश में किया जाएगा, क्या मैं उसका जवाब हिंदी में दे सकती हूँ? बिल्कुल आप दे सकते हो, unless the जवाब is right, the answer is right. I'm sure it is acceptable. So,
सही है.
Khushbu, last and next question from my end. Rest I will leave
Sure.
to our Instagram out here to please comment and ask if they want to anything from Krishnan ma'am. She's soon going to be a mentor wherein she's going to help you get trained with your overall personality. तो आप please comment section में लिखिए आप क्या जानना चाहते हैं Krishnam से. Krishnam, I would like to know from your experience now, because you are a trainer and a mentor this year, because you come from Panache Academy.
Right.
You're a proud owner of Panache Academy who is into, personality development training. But you were once our contestant and you won one of the crowns also. So
Right.
what you think as a contestant, is it important to get that crown, or is it important to learn and be there in the journey and experience it and live it for the entire life? What is more important from an aspect of a contestant?
Well, I won't be speaking on the aspect of all the 200 or 180 contestants that we were last year, but I can definitely give you my viewpoint. And my viewpoint to this question would be, yes, I won't say don't strive for the crown. We all have taken part and we all had taken part at the end of the journey for that one particular crown. But there is just one crown. So, yes, we will work towards it. We all will work towards it. But I would say in that process, enjoy the journey. The journey that is going to take you there is something which is fabulous. The journey is going to get a new, more confident you out of you. It is going to be an enriching journey, a learning journey, which is going to teach you so many positive things that you're going to carry in your life once this pageant is over also. It is going to make you a new person if you are true to the learning that is going to take place. So focus on the journey, focus on the way things are being done around you, your fellow contestants. Yes, each one of your contestants is going to be a competitor for you. But take that competition also in a positive manner. There have been a lot of negatives and negative things happening around. Keep all that aside. Do not be a part of any of the politics. Focus on your final goal. Focus on the final crown. Work towards it. Do not be a part of any dirty politics that is going around you. And trust me, you will land up somewhere on the top.
Amazing, golden advice that you've just given. And I would appreciate if people can bring it to their knowledge and grasp it and work on it. Okay, now Khushbu, we have some questions from you, from our contestants. Sagrika is asking, please share one memorable incident from last year. बहुत सारे होंगे, I'm sure, Khushbu, लेकिन एक
बहुत सारे थे, बहुत सारे थे. सागरिका, आपके क्वेश्चन के ऊपर तो मैं एक्चुअली सर खुचाने लग गई.
एक अच्छा वाला शेयर करो so that we can spread that positivity.
Well, एक बहुत अच्छा वाला तो यस था जब मुझे मेरा टाइटल मिला और क्राउन मिला. वो भी रात को 3 बजे जब ठंडी में सुकड़ रहे थे तब. तो यस, वो बहुत अच्छा था. मैंने काफी सारे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बनाए, तो उनके साथ कांटेक्ट अभी भी है. प्लान करते हैं, बाहर जाते हैं. सो यस, बहुत अच्छी गैंग बन गई है हमारी, जो मेरा हस्बैंड बोलता रहता है ये तेरी मिसेज इंडिया वाली गैंग है. सो आई एम लाइक यस. तो बहुत सारी मेमोरीज है, एक को मैं पिंट पॉइंट नहीं कर सकती. बहुत बहुत सारी अच्छी मेमोरीज है. अनीता को भी याद होगा कि जब हम ग्रीस से वापस आ रहे थे, मैं और हमारे वो ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स थे, वो काफी एयरक्राफ्ट में हंगामा कर रहे थे, और फाइनली तो एयर होस्टेस ने आके हमको डांटा. And Anita was there. She's like turning and looking at me. She's like, "What are you doing?" So yes,
I know when the contestants are left doing whatever you want to do and just go, man, and live your life. I know how it happens,
Exactly.
and that's obvious and natural. We are human beings.
So,
हमें
yes.
उन्हें उड़ने देना चाहिए. So I'm sure that was a good
everything
moment.
is a part of the pageant. It's not just hard work, and yes, there's a lot of hard work, lot of perspiration, lot of things that went into it. But at the same time, there are a lot of positive memories, lot of fun memories, lot of friends that are there for a lifetime. So
True.
give it your best shot and enjoy the journey.
Perfect. I'll shoot the next question. Neha Sharda is asking you, ma'am, how we will shine in simplicity? सादे होने के बाद भी आप शाइन कैसे कर सकते हो, वो पूछ रही है.
Well, I will say, अगर आप सादे हो तो ही शाइन करोगे. Be simple, be what you are. Do not fake anything. Like I said, आप जितना फेक करोगे उतने पकड़े जाओगे, because you yourself are not going to be comfortable. So be comfortable in your own skin. अगर आप simplicity में comfortable हो तो simplicity में comfortable रहो. You don't need to fake something because someone else is doing it. आप अपने में ही जो है वो उसी को पॉजिटिव करो, उसी को एनहांस करो, उसी को ब्यूटिफाई करो. तो बस वही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. अपने बी ट्रू टू योर सेल्फ. डू नॉट फेक एनीथिंग, डू नॉट कॉपी एनीवन. बी योर सेल्फ एंड ट्रस्ट मी, जजेस विल नोटिस यू.
Good. Okay. Sukhda has a nice question. She is asking how or what kind of preparations we need to do for the orientation. क्या preparations करनी होती है?
I don't know कि आपको preparations की list already अनीता मैम ने दे दी है या नहीं, पर हमें तो काफी लंबी चौड़ी list मिल गई थी. ये करना है, वो करना है, यही कलर पहनना है, इसी का मैचिंग लेना है, इसी की मैचिंग ज्वेलरी लेनी है. हमारे वक्त वी हैड सनफ्लावर येलो कलर विच वाज देयर, और मुझे पता है मैं पूरे शहर में सनफ्लावर और सनशाइन कलर ढूंढ रही थी. तो यस, वो सारी तैयारियां तो है ही, पर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अपने आप की ग्रूमिंग के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए, अपने प्रेजेंटेशन पे ध्यान दीजिए, अपनी स्किन पे ध्यान दीजिए, अपने नेल्स पे ध्यान दीजिए, हेयर पे ध्यान दीजिए, अपनी हाइजीन के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए. These are all things that in the larger picture we kind of at times forget about.
True.
So an expensive 20,000 ka sunflower dress is not going to help you if there is body odor and you come to next to a judge and that judge wants to run away. So चाहे आप 2000 की ड्रेस पहन लो, पर ये छोटी छोटी चीजें जो है, कीप दैट इन माइंड. नेल पॉलिश कभी चिप नहीं होना चाहिए. हमेशा अपने साथ एक्स्ट्रा कलर रखो, बॉटल रखो, नेल कटर रखो. कहीं नाखून टूट गया तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें है, पर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो चिप नेल पॉलिश गंदा लगता है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है. आपकी पर्सनैलिटी जो पॉजिटिव आपको दिखानी चाहिए वो नहीं दिखेगी. ग्रूमिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स आपके ऑटोमेटिक ड्रॉप हो जाएंगे. तो छोटी छोटी चीजों पे ध्यान दीजिए, क्योंकि आप, मुझे पता है आप बड़ी चीजों पे तो पक्का ध्यान देने ही वाले हो.
ट्रू. बहुत. और ये जो आपने बोला ना, नेल्स वाली बात जो आपने बोली, ये सच में बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें जो अक्सर हम लोग भूल जाते हैं, बट दे माइनर थिंग्स. hygiene hai, okay, people are, people are considerate about their self hygiene, bahut dhyan dete hain. But these are small things. When for example, medical kit, we being the organizers, we already have our medical kit with us, but
True.
you know what your medical history is, and carrying your medicines and the basic needs when you're traveling. ये ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजें जो which gives us a fair idea of how organized you are,
Organized
how
you are.
well you are, how up you are for any kind of situation. I still remember there were a lot of contestants in 2018 batch when there were a lot of them who were, of course, spreading negativity. वो होता है, that's very obvious. We are human beings, positives and negatives हमारे अंदर ही हैं. But also there were still some people at that point of time also, they were trying to spread that positivity. They were trying to make sure that we are at a pageant, we are in a competition, but we're also a family. So how we need to actually act when we are in a family. So I think ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो overall हमें cover करनी है being in the pageant. When we are gathering, we are together, we are not only competitors, we are not only contenders, but we are a family.
We were competitors at the end of the day, but we turned out to be very good friends at the end of it. And we constantly, throughout the 10 days, we were constantly helping each other. आपके पास कुछ नहीं है, आपको मेरी हेल्प चाहिए, मैं आपकी हेल्प करती हूँ. She used to help me. So, it was vice versa and something like a family जो हम करते थे. At the end of the day, ठीक है, जब स्टेज पे जाते थे तब कॉम्पिटिटर्स थे और कंपटीशन था. पर apart from that, staying as one big family and being into a competition with a positive mindset is very, very important.
True. Okay. Krishnam, Dr. Kamath hai, Akshar Kamath, she is asking us, what would be your message to take the journey forward, even beyond the pageant, whether if you win or lose in the journey. मेरे ख्याल से तो कोई लूज नहीं करता है, so let's not use the word lose. Crown पा लेना winning parameter है, but I think
this journey, crown mile na mile is besides the point, but take the journey one day at a time. What is being taught to you, the learning experience, apart from your grooming, your makeup, you're going to have diet sessions, you're going to have skin sessions, you're going to have so many things that is going to be taught to you, how to walk the ramp. A lot of us are not professional models, and these few days that we are going to be taught these things are the days when we are going to learn for a lifetime. उसके बाद शायद वापस हम कभी रैंप पे चले या ना चले पता ही नहीं है हमको. तो why not enjoy these days, make enriching memories. क्राउन मिलता है वेरी गुड, नहीं मिलता है ठीक है तो भी ठीक है. बहुत सारी चीजें हमने लर्न की, स्माइल के साथ वापस आ रहे हैं. The entire journey has been fabulous, and that is all we want.
True. Perfect, Krishnam. I think this was one of the amazing sessions because we could address a lot of questions, and of course, it was a learnful and meaningful session that we had. So, I think questions to ab nahi hai. People are really glad about the session, and they're thanking
Thank you.
us for this session, which is thank you so much all of you for joining in.
Not
and
at all. Thank you so much.
This is going to be a meaningful session, and we're going to soon meet you, as you know. And I'm sure many of you must be finding problem in getting the right color, but that's really important to have the exact color, because you are associated with a brand, and we are a brand because we have set those standards. And I'm sure you will be glad when you see yourself, you know, uniform in that color, when we do group shoot, when we do group pictures, how it turns out, how it will, you know, the look and feel of the entire sequence, you'll feel proud of it, and you know, all your toil and effort will come together at that point of time. So if you're finding a problem because of the pandemic, you know, unable to go out and search for the stuff, I'm sure the efforts are going to bring you know, all that you're putting in right now. Second thing, what I would like to also mention over here, because somebody wrote in the comment section that the time is such that, you know, a personal hygiene and personal attention, or you know, taking care of yourself is more important. We cannot be dependent on others. That's so true, because when we are out from our places at this time, when, you know, the unlock is happening and people have come back to their routines, lives have come back to the tracks, and things are happening as usual, and it has become a new normal, and people have, you know, brought this into their lifestyles. It is really very important, being mature people, that we take proper care of ourselves. You know, go through the precautions and take the necessary measures. And if we are safe, we are sure others are safe too. So with that note, I would like to end this session over here. Thank you so much, Kushnam, for joining us here.
Looking forward to meet you. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. We'll have these kind of sessions, more of these kind of sessions, of course. And people who've missed watching the entire session, I would also publish it on our IGTV so that you can watch it later. Thank you so much, everyone. Do tag us and do share this IGTV video for betterment of other people as well. Loads of love, Jojo. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.